Hello YouTubers, this is going to be a quick review of this GT Omega racing stand which I've just purchased from Amazon. It just cost me over £100 for this stand. I did get a stand because I don't have a lot of space where I am. This is the whole thing about this stand, is saving a lot of space if you're in a small apartment and you don't have a lot of space, and this is quite nice to have. It's well made. It comes in a large box which is 80% put together, so it's, when you get it, it literally is folded down and you just unfold it and you start pulling your steering wheel, and this doesn't come installed, you just comes one piece here and then you just slide it in, and that's for your gear shifter there. It's well made. The gauge on the metal is quite thick. It's not like tin. It is solid, and absolutely solid. This piece here goes up and down, see, for the height, and this one swivels up and down for your steering wheel, how much you want to adjust it. So you've got quite a bit of an adjustment there, so you can either have it straight, down or up. Plus here, this thing comes off, so if you want to fold it and put it down and slide it underneath a desk, your bed, or wherever you like to, you can slide it to save space. It's just fantastic. I think the build quality is very, very nicely finished, no sharp edges, no dangerous edges, and it just feels very sturdy. Yeah, I managed to mount this very easily. The brakes base, I know it's not much of a brake base, but it's something for a beginner to start off with, to get immersed in this sim racing game to start off with. They do, GT Omega do a seat version which you can slot into here on both ends. I think so, about $60 or 58 something pounds on Amazon, or you can go on their website and it's a base for their seat which comes out a bit more if you have the space for that. I mean, you still can take it apart and then still can put it away, I mean, even though really, but we'll see how we get on with this one. I see a lot of reviews on YouTube. And yeah, I mean, I've got this Thrustmaster unit here. I did have the Logitech before, and this is a lot better. The force feedback is, and it's quiet. In the Logitech one, we used to get a lot of clanking noise, and it wasn't belt driven. It was you know, the cog driven belt, and you could hear the cogs going bah, 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 and it wasn't really nice. I didn't really like it. And I mean, they give you a lot of bolts and attachments to put there's two of these plates they give you, maybe one for the gear shifter and one for the handbrake, and it's quite a chunky piece of metal there. You look at the gauge of this one. I mean, this is how nice and smooth this is. This is proper iron or steel gauge. How thick that is. Look at that. That's how well this is built. It's fantastic. It's come from China. They've done really well. You've got your Velcros ties to keep your cables tidy, so you can feed your cables along here and go underneath. Well made. I'm quite happy with it at all. Yeah, there's nothing negative about this really at all. There's no sharp edges at all. Yeah, so you guys who have subscribed to me, so maybe you want to sim racing with me, or you want to get into it, this is a good way of getting into it really. You can like I have, I'm going to be using it in my bedroom with my new Samsung, sorry, Samsung. My older version was Samsung. This is my new Sony Bravo XR TV. So it's going to be sitting there at the front, and I'll be sitting either on my chair or my bed and playing sim racing. Chilled out. Yeah, this is my little gaming setup here, which I spend a lot of time here, so I thought I'd treat myself to all this. I've been sim racing for a little while, gaming. I do a lot of FPS gaming, guys, so you can check out my videos, and if you like, leave a subscribe, a thumbs up, guys. Help the channel quite a lot. Anyway, I'll leave you with this quick little review, and I'll make another video when I'm actually using this soon, and then you can have a look, see what you think. My seating position, how I feel about it, actually racing, what it feels like, if any wobble or anything. But it's not flimsy at all. It's a very, very sturdy, very sturdy. Anyway, thank you guys, catch you soon.